Being identified as a target in a federal criminal investigation is perhaps one of the most stressful experiences a person is likely to endure. It is understandably difficult, if not impossible, to make sound decisions when literally overwhelmed with feelings of anxiety, fear, and uncertainty. In some cases, the FBI or a drug enforcement agent might call you just to ask a few questions. In other cases, you might receive a target letter from the United States Attorney's Office informing you that you are suspected of committing a federal offense. Federal law enforcement agents have specific training and extensive experience in eliciting incriminating information from people who would have never imagined they would voluntarily speak with law enforcement. Agents will frequently exaggerate the extent of trouble you face, and they may also tell you that others involved in the investigation have already provided information against you. Agents may suggest favorable treatment in exchange for information, and may also suggest that failure to cooperate would result in charges of obstruction of justice. You have an absolute right to refrain from speaking with any federal agent about anything. It is an enormous risk to attempt to talk your way out of trouble with the Department of Justice. If you have any reason to believe that you are suspected of criminal activity at the federal level, your best course of action is to invoke your Fifth Amendment right to remain silent and your Sixth Amendment right to counsel. Contact an experienced federal criminal defense attorney immediately. You need a defense lawyer who understands the process of criminal investigation at the federal level. In cases where an outright acquittal is unlikely or where there is disproportionate sentencing risk by proceeding with trial, you may need to engage in lengthy and complicated plea negotiations with the federal prosecutor. In these cases, the most favorable outcome is best negotiated between your lawyer and the U.S. attorney, not between you and the agents investigating your case. Federal sentencing is strict, and the U.S. Attorney's Office has near limitless resources at its disposal to investigate and prosecute suspected crimes. Federal prosecution should not be taken lightly, and defense of these serious cases should not be undertaken by those without significant ability and experience.